As many connected, oh God, I declare, oh God, let their wounds be open, let their marriages be open, let the doors of their testimony be open, let the doors of marital favor be open, let the doors of fruitfulness be open, let the doors of finances be open, let the doors of miracle joy be open, let the doors of healing be open. Power that padlock in the realm of the spirit, padlock your glory, power that padlock your destiny, power that padlock your wombs, power that padlock your health, the destiny of your children. So now we rise in unity. So that we call God in one voice. Let that evil padlock be destroyed. Let that 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 padlock be destroyed. Evil padlock of poverty. Evil padlock of delay. Evil padlock of joblessness. Evil padlock of miscarriage. Evil padlock of late marriages. Evil padlock of promise and failure. Evil padlock of barrenness. Evil padlock of miscarriages. Evil padlock of rising and falling. Evil padlock of stagnation. Evil padlock of addiction. Let me destroy this morning. Let Shakapaya Gadaba Shataya. Rekapalada Yagada Yagadada. Set your children free, oh God. Set your children free, oh God. Set your children free, oh God. Set your children free tonight. We visit the evil altars. 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 We visit the evil altars by fire tonight, oh God. Yesheka palada laboshia. Amashio Jehovah Jireh. Arise for us tonight. Lord, arise for us tonight. Lord, arise for us tonight. Begin to pray la shatalaba. Lord, arise, oh God. Begin to declare. Begin to pray, begin to declare. Lord, arise tonight. All tasks of barrenness, power that padlock our glory, padlock that padlock our destiny, padlock that padlock our miracle, Father, let it catch fire tonight. 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 Rekapaya daraboshiana. Rekapalegedemosia. Thank God, my Father, visit me tonight. My God, my Father, visit me tonight. My Father, visit me tonight. Can you begin to cry? Lord, visit me tonight. Lord, visit my womb. Father, visit finances, Father, visit my testimony. Altar that padlock your destiny, altar that padlock your glory, altar that padlock your job, altar that padlock your testimony, altar that padlock your glory. Let them be destroyed tonight. Let them be destroyed tonight. Alesha talababa, rekapaya sataya, rekapaya gayana, jekatarabo shetaya, rekapala zataya, rekapala gayana. Let them be scattered by fire. 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 Mashata la bayana. Rekata raboshetaya. Rekapaya galana. Rekapashata rababa. Rekapalata raboshia. Rekapalagaya. Tonight say to your children, oh God. 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 Tonight say to them, oh God. Every altar that I've found, every altar that have fought, shatalaba. They said you will not carry your testimony. Every altar that have you ever shataya, that be holding the keys of your blessings, altars that be holding the keys of your testimony, altars that holding the keys of your healing. We command this night, let them catch fire. Let them catch fire. Can you open your mouth? Let them catch fire. Can you open your mouth? Let them catch fire. Can you open your mouth? Let Shatalabashaya.